Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get ReviewQuasar on your phone. Just follow these simple steps. Go to this website, which is downloadgbwa.com, or a trusted another source where ReviewQuasar is available. Look for the download button on the site, usually labeled as Download ReviewQuasar. Here you can see it. Just click on the Start Downloading the APK file. Now, open your phone settings, navigate to Security or Privacy, and toggle on Unknown Sources. Open the Downloads folder or located where the APK file is saved. Tap on the ReviewQuasar APK file to start the installation. Now, follow the on-screen prompts, and when it is downloaded and installed successfully, you can launch the app and log in. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.